Here we have this 69 plate BMW 320d XDRIVE M Sport. It comes with the Portimao blue exterior paintwork. We've also got the LED headlights with the kidney grille in the centre with the black splitter at the bottom. We've also got front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera with an in-car visual display. Now this car comes with £6,500 worth of factory extras, all of which are listed on the website. We've got the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels with the blue M Sport design caliper behind. We've got the privacy glass at the rear for the passengers with a black trim around the outside, colour-coded door handles and mirrors. We've also got the shark fin antenna up top just there and the spoiler on the tailgate. Making our way to the rear, you can see we've got the dual exit exhaust integrated into the diffuser at the bottom and the parking sensors running across the centre of the bumper. Now this car does come free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So as we just take a look at the rear interior, you'll be able to see we've got the all black leather with the blue stitching, Isofix points with the armrest in the centre, and we've also got the climate control in the rear for the passengers. We've got the electric windows and the door handle, and we've also got the blue stitching and the leather on the door just there. Onto the front, we've got the same styling front seats, all black leather with the blue stitching. Both of these seats are heated. There is a look at those. We've also got the folding mirrors with the electric windows and the child lock for the rear. We've got that premium Harman Kardon sound system. Automatic lights with the automatic wipers and the multifunctional steering wheel. Taking a seat inside, turning this vehicle on, it is a keyless start, so my foot is on the brake. Press the start button, and as you can see on the dashboard, we're free from any warning lights. Onto the steering wheel, we've got the cruise control and the speed limiter with the paddle shift behind. We've also got the menu button here for the heads-up display, if you can just see that while it's not flickering. So if you press the three lines on the steering wheel, it goes from the speedometer to the menu button as well. We've also got the volume with the paddle shift on the right side, so if you want to drive this car manually, you can use the paddle shifts. Onto the main screen, you can see that we've got the satellite navigation. Now it is flickering, and that's just for the purpose of the video. This doesn't happen in real life. Down the left hand side here, we've got the Bluetooth media with a Bluetooth phone connectivity, and if you just go into apps here, you can see that this car has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We've got the dual climate control here with the heated seats on both sides, heated rear window with the air conditioning just there. We've also got the CD player, wireless charging for your phone with the cup holders, automatic gearbox and the different drive mode select buttons here. I'm just going to pop this car into reverse, and on screen you can see that we've got the reversing camera just there. Popping it back into neutral. Now that's all I'm going to show you guys today. For more information on this vehicle, you can head to the website or give our sales team a call. This car comes with a fresh MOT and a fresh service and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.